You're watching how Leap lets remove the message button from your Facebook profile. You cannot completely remove the message button as it's a core feature. However, you can limit who can send you messages. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Tap the three dots under your bio to edit your profile. Tap Edit Public Details. Scroll down to Contact and Basic Info. Here you can control the visibility of your contact info but not the main message button. To control messaging, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap Privacy, then How People Find and Contact You. Tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. And set it to Friends of Friends to reduce strangers. More importantly, tap Who Can Send You Direct Messages. And set it to Friends Only. This hides the message button from non-friends, effectively removing it for most visitors. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.